Oh, hello and welcome back to my channel. So I thought when I recorded this video that it had audio, but obviously it didn't. So here we go. I'm going to explain what we're going to be doing. So you need a box and you're supposed to be cutting out the part where the head of the kids go. Well, that didn't go well. So we're going to do it in a different way. I just flattened the box and I'm going to use the kids' arms as what's going to hold the ornaments in. It's really simple. We use 3 boxes of ornaments that we got at Walmart, and it's really simple. So let's keep on looking. I'm going to show you how I am going to place the kids. And I have 3, but if you have 1 or have 2, it will work anyways. You would just have to cut. I would recommend you cut the space for their head on the box as a U, if that makes any sense. So I'm going to show you. And if you don't have that, then you can do what I did. So it's really simple. And my phone is also a Samsung A51. It's a cheap phone. So nothing special. And I really didn't do any editing on the picture other than cropping. And I will show you how I do that too. So let's keep on looking. I'm placing the kids right now on the floor. Yeah. And also, if you like this video, subscribe for more. I've been trying to load more videos as I go, and I've been doing pretty good. So if you like the video, give it a like, leave me a message, and also if you try this, tag me on Instagram at Carolina Lim, and I will share it with my audience. So here we go. We're trying to put the ornaments all together, as you can see, on top around their head, so it doesn't create that much of a gap. Okay, we'll keep doing that. And let's see how it goes. So we did it against the wall because I only have 3 kids. If you have 4 kids, obviously you don't need to do it against the wall. But here we go. I'm still putting it all. The kids did so good. They behaved really good. And I apologize for my voice. I've been a little sick lately, so that's why I sound so raspy. Okay. So there we are. So see, I'm trying to fill in the gaps. So, and have you see how I have their arms out so that they can hold the ornaments? It makes it much easier so the ornaments don't go everywhere. And I did use 3 boxes of ornaments. Each box was like $4 at Walmart. But if you have old ornaments, you can use them too. So I'm putting the last details on there. And you will see. Yeah, there we go. So now I'm going to just grab my phone. And as you can see, they're in pajamas and everything because all we're going to do is their heads. So it doesn't really matter how they look like. Okay, this is real life, guys. And then I'll take the picture. Okay. Okay, from the top, on top of them, if you can see, from the top. And I will show you what it looks like before I crop it out. So there we go. So there is the picture, okay? As you can see, you can still see their arms. So what I'm going to go to edit, where is like the pencil. And I'm going to click on crop. And then I'm just going to crop it with my fingers to where their heads are. See, the best I can. And it took me a second because it was cutting them out and then it reset it. See, like it reset it. So I had to kind of redo it. I didn't want to see the box and I didn't want to cut their heads off. So there you go. And there you have it. So I hope you like it, guys. And if you do, tag me. Thank you. Bye.